Hi everyone, I will give a presentation on image segmentation technique, and my name is WenlongZhao. The problem and the study is the image segmentation. Image segmentation is a technique to partition the image into different parts. And in this project, we use two ways to achieve this goal. First, we use a simple histogram-based segmentation technique to partition a simple picture. And this method is widely used, but it has the limitation, and we will test the limitation later. And we will use another technique, which is the spatial connection based technique to solve this limitation. And the image segmentation is very important for the computer vision, and it also widely used in medical or security field. And these examples, say the medical and security using, and for this picture we will partition it later. And we'll talk about the existing approaches first. There are many methods from different perspectives. The first is histogram-based image segmentation. It is very simple and low cost. Of course, it uses a few resources. Just it doesn't need a database or something. And there are three main steps to achieve histogram-based image segmentation. The step one is to decompose the range of the pixel values, based on the distribution of the pixel values. You know, there is a hill, there is a valley. And step two is to group every pixel values which are similar to each other. And step three is label different groups, so we can present them in the pictures. And the main assumption here is that each object is assumed to be composed of pixels with similar pixel values. And this is the result. So this is a simple picture, and there is a sky and the ground, and we can easily partition them. See, this is the sky, this is the foreground. And the evaluation. This technique is well done on simple picture, and but there is a limitation, as I mentioned, because there is a mean assumption. Each object is assumed to be composed of pixel values with similar pixel values, just like this. Sky has the value that blue, and the ground has a value which is green. And we will test this limitation with this picture. And this is the result. And we can see that because the pixel value of this lady's face is very similar to the background, so this technique cannot distinguish them. So we will apply a new approach to solve this problem. The key idea is spatial connecting. As we can see, the background and the face are not spatial connected, so we can use this this idea to solve this problem. And there are three steps to solve this problem. First is to try to label every connected parts in the picture. I will label this background, and we will label this face. Maybe this are also labeled. And we'll remove the small meaningless parts. These parts we don't need them. And the whole picture minus the ground part will come out the object. This is the result. As you can see, we remove the face from the background. So we can, in the next step, we can easily come out this lady. And the performance evaluation. So the spatial connection-based approach it is able to distinguish two different parts with similar pixel values. But it also needs the edge detection to achieve the automatic segmentation. For the summary and conclusions, histogram-based image segmentation is a simple one. It is easily to achieved, but of course it has a limitation, as I presented. So the spatial connection based is better, but there is also a better one. Just as I mentioned, we can use this edge detection technique. And for the whole experience, it is like to try to create something. Put the source into reality is really amazing experience, and all the ideas come from labs. And this is for the MATLAB code. First, we apply the histogram-based image segmentation to the simple picture. Okay, this, yeah, simple picture. See, we successfully partition them. Okay, and in the next step, this is the result. Test the limitation. As we can see, this is the picture for our use. And to solve this problem, we use this code. There is a spatial labeling and remove the small meaningless parts. We write, yeah, so the face and the background are distinguished. Okay, that's all. Thank you.